Discover the genius of Peter Lynch, explore his investment strategies. Welcome to our deep dive into the life of Peter Lynch, one of the most successful and respected investment gurus in history. Today we are exploring his journey and the strategies that defined his career. Born in 1944, Lynch's fascination with the stock market began at a young age. His keen interest in investment was sparked by his early experiences working as a caddy for wealthy individuals. Graduating from Boston College and later earning an MBA from Wharton School, Lynch's formal education laid a strong foundation for his investment prowess. His academic background was critical in shaping his analytical skills. Lynch's career took a significant turn when he joined Fidelity Investments. Here, he eventually became the portfolio manager of the Magellan Fund in 1977, which he managed until 1990. Under Lynch's management, the Magellan Fund grew from $18 million in assets to a staggering $14 billion. His impressive average annual return of 29.2% made the fund the best performing mutual fund in the world. Lynch's investment philosophy was simple yet profound: invest in what you know. This approach encouraged investors to look at companies whose services and products they understood and used daily. He also advocated for a hands-on investment strategy. Lynch spent much of his time visiting companies and studying their business models, which he believed was key to identifying successful investments. One of Lynch's notable strategies was categorizing stocks into six different types: slow growers, stalwarts, fast growers, cyclicals, turnarounds, and asset plays. Each type required a different approach and understanding. Lynch's ability to explain complex financial concepts in simple terms made him a popular figure not just among professional investors but also among everyday people looking to understand the stock market. Since retiring from active fund management, Lynch has continued to inspire through writing and philanthropy. His books, such as One Up on Wall Street, remain essential reading for anyone interested in investing. Peter Lynch's legacy is not just his phenomenal financial performance, but also his ability to democratize investment knowledge. His teachings continue to influence both new and seasoned investors worldwide. We hope this glimpse into Peter Lynch's life and his insightful investment strategies has inspired you. His story is a testament to the power of knowledge and understanding in achieving financial success. For more intriguing stories about influential figures and game-changing investment strategies, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring more content like this to you. Thank you for watching, and remember, like Peter Lynch, invest in what you know, and always stay curious and informed.